Davey has his tool in the spindle now. He's going to take his part and he's going to put it in his vise, making sure there's no chips there. When he puts it in his vise, we have to make sure that the part is sticking out over the edge slightly so that we can machine it. We still want the majority of it back here in the vise. So he can tighten that down. He's going to tap it with his dead blow hammer. Make sure that the parallels are tight. Now he's going to bring his end mill over close to the part. And whenever we cut this, we want to make sure that we do what's called conventional milling. Conventional milling means that if my tool is spinning in a clockwise direction, that I'm going to be feeding so that the tool is actually pushing the part away from it. So that means I'm going to feed towards the back of the machine. So you can see how Davey's setting his piece up. He has it close to the edge here where it's not actually touching. He's on out towards the front of the vise, and he's going to go ahead and he's going to start his end mill up. Okay, so he's running this end mill. It's the 3/4 inch end mill. He's going to be running it around the same RPMs, 400 to 450 RPMs, and he's going to bring the end mill in until it just touches the part. Whenever he just touches the part, he backs it away. He's going to use this dial over here to move about 10 thousandths, and then he's going to take a cut. With a finished end mill, we don't want to take any more than about 20 thousandths maximum cut. All we're doing is cleaning this surface up so that it's nice and smooth. You'll be able to see the difference in finish whenever he's done here. It's going to give us a nice smooth finish, and this is going to make sure that our part is square with the first sides that we did. If you just try and take this and set it in the vise with the end sticking up and take a face mill across it, it's not going to get the part square. So he's going to run it back across. Any kind of spring that we had in the part, he's going to take it off on the spring pass going back. Okay, he can shut his machine off. It cleaned up the whole surface around there, so he doesn't have to move it back in anymore. What he's going to do is he's going to take the part out. He's going to turn it 180 degrees. He's going to keep the same side, which is side number 1, down on the parallels. And he's going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Once he does that, our part should theoretically be square. And those are the steps that are involved in squaring up on a vertical mill.